Hey everyone, welcome back. Hey, with the gas and restaurant prices out there right now, I wanted to show you this app so you can save a lot of money with this. Look, even though gas prices are coming down right now, well, as of right now, I should say, why not save even more so you can buy that G.I. Joe with the vice-like grip for Christmas? Hey, the Upside app will get you that cash back on gas and other shopping. Now, I have to say, I was a little skeptical to say the least. Now, so I wanted to try it myself before bringing it to you. And damn, it worked good. And I'll show you. Okay, let's go ahead and run through this real quick. This is your app. You find what you need here. This is the actual one I claimed. As you can see, 65 cents a gallon off. What you do is you go ahead and claim it, and you're going to go to the gas station, which I'm going to show you the whole process as we walk through. But here's a Chevron that was a little far, but 72 cents a gallon off. Here we are filling up our vehicles. It was $3.49, and we did 46.8 gallons. And always print your receipt, just so you have it in case of any discrepancies. Now they say it'll come into your account in 2 to 4 days. This came into my account within 1 day and gave me back $30.45. All right, let's go over it real quick so you'll know what I'm talking about. By the way, this video is not sponsored by Upside. This is just my experience with it and what I feel about it. Okay, first things first, you need to get the app on your phone and sign up for an account. Now with very little information, they will know how to track you to pay you. But when you're signing up, you can enter a referral code as your promo code to get an extra bonus when you sign up. Who wouldn't want that? Now, if you don't have a friend that's referring you, I want to be your friend. So if you would use the link in the description so we both get bonuses and it doesn't cost you nothing at all to do it. So once signed up, the next thing you're going to do is add a debit or credit card to your account. But you won't be giving the full card number, just the first few numbers and the 4 last numbers. Now it's used only to track your purchases with that card so they know you paid. Now to add a card, just go to the menu, then My Wallet, and then Add a Card. Now you can add as many as you like if you want to use more than one card. Now that you're armed and ready, let's go ahead and click on the Find Offers in the lower left. Now I found an offer near me for 65 cents a gallon off. And with the small print, said up to a maximum of 50 gallons. So I grabbed my wife and we took both vehicles down and bought 46.83 gallons of gas. So once you find that offer, you'll need to go ahead and click on the claim button. Now, once you click on that claim button, you will have up to 4 hours to use it. Be sure to choose the right location, as some of the same brands will have different deals, along with if you're trying to claim a deal from one gas station to another, it won't work. So just make sure you look at that and you're going to the right location that you chose to claim. On some of these listings, you will notice a little blue badge next to the name, and that means that you can use what they call the check-in function. But don't worry, if it doesn't sport that little blue badge, you'll simply just take a picture of the receipt instead. But if you are going to use that check-in function and you are at the gas station, make sure that you're ready to go, click the check-in button, choose the card you want to use so it knows to look for that purchase. Once you have clicked on that check-in button, you have up to 20 minutes to complete this transaction. So no big deal. That's why I say you don't want to be in line and hit the check-in button. You want to be ready to go, hit it, and gas up. Now it says it will take from 2 to 4 days to have this cashback bonus put in your account, ready to use or transfer to your bank account. Now you can also cash it out using digital gift cards, which is a kind of nice option, or even the PayPal if you like. Put simply, that's how it works. It's not bad, it's not hard, it's just doing it, and you can save a lot of money. And yes, I do know what you're thinking. Sure, you can use a rewards credit card. You know, the cashback or travel points with this app with no problem. And I have a link in the description for an easy to qualify rewards card if you need one. I use it all the time. Never paid for a hotel. You just can't use the loyalty programs from a place of purchase. They call that double dipping. Now, if you need more clarification, just click on the More Info button and scroll down to the bottom to read that fine print. You know what I'm talking about. It's real simple, it's real small, no big deal. The thing to do when you're getting close to needing that gas is to keep checking the offers near you. as the discounts will vary. Now, for example, the station I used was 32 cents a gallon off the day before and 65 cents off the next day, the day I grabbed. So you just got to kind of keep an eye on it, get the best price for you. Now, they're adding more and more businesses to the Upside app, such as restaurants, which I like to eat, as you can tell, which look to have a 6% cash back across the board. So you say you had a $50 meal, you get $3 back. Hey, $3 is $3. Now be sure to check your local big wholesale stores that sell gas first, as they sometimes have better deals. Now remember to please use the link in the description or my promo code, Jim67899. Shameless plug. But we both make out and it doesn't cost you anything. Hey, let us know in comments how much your biggest cash back was from the Upside app. It'd be interesting to know and see what everybody's getting across the United States or what have you. Hey, thanks everyone who stayed around to the end with me. You're the greatest. Hey, and if you have questions about this, please add Jim67899 first, then the comments, and I'll answer your questions first. Just a little bonus for staying with me all the way. See you on the next one. Thanks again. Hey, and if you're not subscribed, please maybe take a time to subscribe. Doesn't cost you anything there either. I'll talk to you.